Jinjiang International is one of 4 designated travel agencies permitted to provide Flower Expo tour services. The agencies offer 1 or 2-day group tour packages that include a ticket for the expo, bus between downtown and Chongming. A company spokesperson says they have sold nearly 10,000 tickets, with prices starting at 100 yuan and maxing out at 200 for the 1-day trip. The overnight package costs just under 500 yuan.
80% of our customers are Shanghai locals, and around 20% are from neighboring Zhejiang and Jiangsu. Some come from even further away. The opening of the expo is expected to attract more visitors.
A Huangpu River cruise serving the Flower Expo debuted today, taking about 150 passengers to Chongming Island. The 1-day tour set sail from Qinghuangdao Road Pier in Yangpu at 8 a.m. The 598 yuan price tag includes an expo ticket and 2 meals, including a night buffet on the return journey.
The cruise is so relaxing because I can enjoy the beautiful scenery while having some of the delicious food.
But the Flower Expo cruise will only operate 12 times, including today. The Shanghai government envisions Huangpu River cruises as one way of bolstering the city's attractions for both residents and tourists. Zhang Yue, Shanghai Life.